So chloroform, it is used for the chloroform. We can use as a first one. It is chloroform. It is used as an anesthetic, but students, what is chloroform? CHCl3, trichloromethane. We can tell trichloromethane, the compound obtained by the replacement of three halogens of alkanes by three halogens. So it is called trihalogen alkanes. It can be prepared by the reaction of alkali and chlorine on ethyl alcohol or acetone. Ethyl alcohol react. You see the equations. Ethyl alcohol react with the chlorine. Calcium hydroxide is one of the alkali. It is producing the chloroform. Okay, it is colorless liquid with a characteristic sweet smell and sweet taste. It is almost insoluble in water but soluble in alcohol, ether. Chloroform itself, it is having the very good solvent for oil, fat, halogens, and chloroform is non-inflammable, but its vapor may be burned to give green flame vapors. Okay, so vapors of chloroform when inhaled, we are getting inhalation, we are exposing means what it will happen, small amount produces unconsciousness. When exposed to air and sunlight, chloroform is oxidized to produce the phosgene. You see the equations, chloroform, it will produce the phosgene. That is phosgene, it is COCl2. Okay, not CP, COCl2, phosgene. So here next it is used, chloroform, it is used as an anesthetic, but it may be cause cardiac and respiratory failure. It has been replaced by other safe anesthetic we can. So the hydrogen, with the hydrogen fluoride, it gives monochloro difluoromethane, which is used in the production of Teflon. Okay, used Teflon, and it is used as a solvent for fat, oils, rubber. It is the solvent for fat, oils, rubber, alkalides, waxes, resin, and iodine. It is a good solvent for. Next, it is cleansing agent for in fire extinguishers in rubber industry. Fire extinguishers and rubber industry. It is useful laboratory reagent for testing primary amines. Okay, especially for primary amines, testing primary amines. Next, it is used in the preparation of chloropicrin and chloretone. Okay, it is useful. It is used in the preparation of chloropicrin. It is the derivatives of chlorohalogen compounds. Next, next it is manufacture of Ferroin refrigerant. Ferroin, it is the brand name of refrigerant R22. It is the variety, that is the type of refrigerant R22. It is storage cylinder. Okay, Ferroin manufacture of Ferroin refrigerant R22, and it is chloroform also. It is used as a solvent in NMR spectroscopy. How it is chloroform containing deuterium, that is heavy hydrogen. Chloroform containing deuterium, it is heavy hydrogen, that is CdCl3. It is a common solvent in NMR spectroscopy. Already I said what is NMR spectroscopy. We can detect the compounds. It is a carbon, nitrogen, that is proton NMR, nitrogen NMR. So chemical shift value and all, we can functional group, we can find out chemical shift value also. Next, prevent putrefaction of organic matter, that is it mainly used to prevent the putrefaction of organic matter. uh, Next, majority of preparation of chloropicrin and chloretone, that is the halogen derivatives, the compound, organic compound. Next in horse addition reaction. Horse addition reaction, what it is that horse addition reaction here, what is chloroform forms CHCl2. So free radical it is in addition to alkanes. Harsh addition is an organic reaction. Okay, it is one of the organic reaction in metal catalyzed free radical addition. Uh, so compounds to alkenes. That is, the reaction was what it is happening here, that free radical formation, Coral Fisher addition reaction, chloroform forms based on the Coral Fisher addition, Coral Haas addition reaction, chloroform forms a free radical, that is CaCl2. In addition to, when addition reaction with alkene, it will forms the free radical. Okay. Uh, so thank you, students. See you in next class.